Good morning. This is day 2. Oh my god, I just heard my voice. Today we're gonna work. My priority is to finish all the work that I couldn't finish yesterday because of beat like भूख लग गई हो गया. So जो कल काम नहीं कर पाए because of खाना पीना सोना पादना उठना वो आज खत्म करेंगे and then we'll probably see. I'll update you. Our stay had such comfortable mattresses. As you can see, Shalu is still asleep. Most of the days when we woke up, Sonia would just not be in her bed because she was just out hunting for new experiences. This is what we had for breakfast: chai and grilled chicken sandwich with a side of some beautiful views. ये लो एक छोटा सा B-roll. Chavi, but also the past Chavi since you're watching this video and editing. Anyway, day 2 was a bliss and it's just everywhere because it just started raining all of a sudden and it was so pretty. You'll see more about it like in the video ahead. Sonia had already gone out in the morning as she usually does. Nagpur was about to leave and I think she went. Me and Shalu, we were working in from our rooms and we only got to go out in the evening. That's a look. That is a look. That's a look too. That's a look too. It is now raining. Not men. Shal, how do you feel about it not raining men? Hallelujah.
It not raining what?
Men, hallelujah.
It's okay because women are also a good time. And you yourself are also a good time.
I mean, it's raining water, but it's not raining men. So how do you feel about that?
Lovely. Love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
क्या अंकल तो नहीं लगते ऐसे?
You're doing amazing, छोटे. छोटे.
कुछ करो.
अंकल क्या कर रहे हैं? अंकल गैलरी दिखाइए आप फोन क्या कर? You know this cheaper uncle?
Bro.
I mean you can.
न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर शालू मिश्रा आपके साथ. तो बताइए शालू, कैसा है आज का वेदर रिपोर्ट?
जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हम इस वक्त हॉस्टल के बालकनी में खड़े हैं और हमारे कैमरा पर्सन आपको विजुअल दिखा सकते हैं कि कितनी मूसलाधारी बारिश हो रही है. मूसलाधारी बारिश हो रही है यहाँ पर. ऐसा लग रहा है कि सारे प्लान्स जितने भी टूरिस्ट के प्लान थे आज के चौपट हो गए हैं. मुझे जितना खबर आ रही क्या प्लान में पानी
हाई वाला लाइन बोल.
और जितना कि लग रहा है आज के सारे टूरिस्ट के प्लान में पानी फिर चुका है. लेकिन कुछ भी हो सकता है. ये मदर नेचर की ताकत है. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि 2 घंटे में सन निकल आए और सब पानी नॉन फिर हो जाए. कैमरामैन छवि जोशी के साथ रिपोर्टर शालू मिश्रा फॉर हॉस्टलर न्यूज.
जी हाँ, थैंक यू शालू अपडेट के लिए. मैं हूँ छवि जोशी. आप जैसे देख सकते हैं हम हॉस्टल के फ्रंट बैल्कनी में हैं और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही टिपटिपारी बारिश हो रही है. ऐसा लगता है जैसे सोनिया ने जब अपना कच्चा सुखाया था गीला गीला वो गीला ही रह गया. त्रिवेंद्र वाले लोगों के लिए काफी बुरा लग रहा है बट खुद के लिए नहीं लग रहा क्योंकि हम काफी मोटे हैं तो हम त्रिवेंद्र नहीं जाएंगे शायद. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं सोनिया पर्दे के थ्रू देखने की कोशिश कर रही थी जो उसने अब ये कोशिश बंद कर दी गई है. कोशिश बहुत ही अहम चीज है जो बारिश के टाइम पे लोग करना बंद कर देते हैं. तो दोस्तों डीकैथलॉन से अम्ब्रेला लीजिए. ये वीडियो स्पॉन्सर नहीं है डीकैथलॉन से बट अगर डीकैथलॉन को स्पॉन्सर करना है तो प्लीज कर दीजिए. नॉर्थ साइड से बहुत ही तेज धुआंधार हवा के साथ तेज झिलमिलाती बारिश की बूंदें पट करके गिर रही है और यही पट गिरती हुई बारिश हमें बहुत दुख दे रही है. बट हम अंदर ही अंदर आशा कर रहे हैं कि हमारे सर पे बर्फ गिर जाए. कैमरामैन शालू मिश्रा के साथ छवि जोशी, हॉस्टलर न्यूज.
ज़्यादा तेज बारिश हो रही है.
ये क्या, ये थंडर था, क्लाउड बर्स्ट था क्या?
No, that was a thunder. Cloudburst will be like
Aggressive.
Yeah. It's more of a
Hi, we are headed out. We did nothing today. This is day 2, by the way. We did nothing today. We had lunch. We had breakfast also. And now, क्या हमारे पास umbrella है? लेना चाहिए ना? ठीक है. And then it rained heavily, super heavily. And then we chilled. We completed our work. And we then are now stepping out finally, and it's 8, almost 8 now. So yeah.
M C L बोलना था.
Today is our second night, and we're having dinner at the Welcome Cafe. It's very close to where we are staying, which is the Hostello. And we're very excited to see what we're gonna eat because it's like Tibetan food or Korean. I was talking about it. It's called Tingmo.
Oh yeah, those are Tibetan breads, right?
Yeah. So yeah, let's eat. Let's order first and then eat.
You gotta work, babe.
We also have fruit beers.
But you need some coffee in your system to support the vacation.
Oh, cotton 60 HD. क्या बात है मैडम? What are you gonna have?
I will have a chicken clear soup and veg momos.
What do you? कैसा लग रहा है इनका lip shade?
Oh, मैं बताऊँ?
Yeah.
10 on 10. Beautiful.
It's the mini
Miso
one.
one.
What are you having? Oh, you're researching.
Oh, it's like
What will I have?
her name was Seyang. She's Tibetan, okay? Seyang. T-S. And she was like, you can just call me something else, some other word. I was like, no, excuse me. I'll keep trying until I pronounce your name right. You should not have to downgrade. Not even downgrade is not the right word, but yeah, it's your
Settle.
name, man. Yeah, you should not have to settle. Stop telling people your name is hard.
So let me see.
And it's not like they don't have those terms in their language.
Yeah.
मेरे नाम को take a picture.
What does it have?
के लिए भी
Vegetables.
वेजिटेबल मोमो खाने बोल रही हूँ lunch का.
Wow, कितना अच्छा है.
During college,
मिला। हमको कल ना बंसुनाथ जाना है फॉल्स, सुबह 7-7:30 बजे। तो प्राइस कितना होगा? हाँ ठीक है, तो आप 7:30 को आ जाएंगे। हाँ हम सीढ़ी पे तो आ जाएंगे।
नीचे से गाड़ी ला रहा है।
छोटी वाली रिसेप्शन के पास आ ओके मैडम।
And we're back from Welcome Cafe, 300 meters from our stay. How was the cold coffee?
It was more chocolate shake than coffee. Chavi and I were really expecting to have some coffee in our system because we still have some office work left. But it was still yummy. Yummy to tha.
It was nice. Even I had a sip.
You know when Mr. Bean had like have you seen that Mr. Bean episode जिसमें he has some guests over?
And he tries to cut the branch.
Yes.
To make, yes.
Yes, that's exactly what it felt like.
Yes.
Like, you know, you're kuch to hai. I ordered a pork salad. It was good.
I tried pork for the first. No, not for the first. Yesterday night was the first time.
Ha, but like yesterday it was like more in a cutlet format, inside a bowl. Today it was just like pork, like slices with a few vegetables which are not even like just a chili chicken wali pyaz hoti hai, they're not even like vegetables, right? So we went to the chocolate log. वहाँ से हमने desserts खाए. We did some like shopping, bought some like chodo trinkets and like all those like, it's called trinkets, no? Chodo things.
Yeah.
That. What did you buy something?
Nothing. I just gossiped about Punjab.
She made a friend who's damn hot though.
Kind of hard. Yeah.
She's a fashion designer.
Oh, boring. Nah.
Would have been hotter if she was like,
A pilot or some shit.
oh yeah, or like a journalist or some shit.
Yeah. We ordered a carrot cheesecake, and we also ordered a dark chocolate cake slice situation. It wasn't a cake, it was more like a like a brownie sort of a thing. It was a little dry, but wo ho jata hai because we had it at the end of the day and it was freshly baked in the morning and it was heated and everything. The carrot cheesecake was damn nice, like really carroty and fresh and moist.
Gajar ka halwa in the form of the cake.
Yeah, that's what we were talking about when we were coming back. Yeah, we talked about a bunch of things and we decided to visit a bunch of places tomorrow. Let's see if we can make it happen. Fingers crossed.
Fingers, both the fingers crossed.
What are your plans? Subhaka, I
I'm
saw
gonna
you.
wake up early morning and going to Upper Dharamkot. It's presumably a very beautiful place to watch the sunrise, but I can't go that early. But I'll still trek all the way up and see how it is.
And me, Shalu and Nagpur are planning to check out the Bhaksunag, the Bhaksunag waterfall. She already checked it out subah.
Yes.
So lucky you, dude.
Amazing place.
Yeah, definitely. We also want to go to this performance art center sort of a situation and a pottery studio if it's open, and also what else? No, that was Dharamkot studio. There was one more thing, no? Hyatt. Yeah, planning to go to Hyatt because the views there are just like and like agar hum yahan pe aa gaye to might as well, you know, we'll just get coffee or some shit, you know.
Oh my god.
Coffee to sasti hogi.
पता नहीं यार, Hyatt है वो भी हिल टॉप पे.
That's actually very true.
रजाई गायब हो गया, बेड पे भी नहीं है.
Oh shit. अभी तो उसमें ही था वो वाला. Hi, we just talked about a bunch of scary experiences, sleep paralysis, and a lot more. And now we're gonna go back to sleep. Day 2 is over. Day 3 we have a lot of things planned. So let's see how it goes. See you in the morning. I hope I remember this transition. Good morning, it's day 3.